Tough times for Bosnia and Romania, with France 4 clear at the top and Belarus and Albania in second and third. These two nations need wins. They've only played 3 games each, so time does exist to turn their campaigns around, but it's really got to start now. Well, Bosnia do have 1 win, Romania 2 draws so far. As for the teams, last chance for the umpteenth time for Adrian Mutu, who was back. First opportunity, though, went to Bosnia. Misimovic's free kick going just wide. There were plenty in the stadium that thought this had gone in the back of the net. There was always plenty of threat going forward for Bosnia. Pjanic to Zeko. And Pantelimon making the save. Well, these two met in the qualifiers for Euro 2004. And Romania won 3-0 in Sarajevo. Kivu Munteanu and Ghanea with the goals that day. And today, they'd go in front with that fantastic goal from Marichka. The Stuttgart forward, with his 6th European Championship goal of his career, his first international goal since he scored against Lithuania back in June 2009. It was a World Cup game. It was literally the first chance they'd had. It was on the half an hour as well. Knocked some of the stuffing out of Bosnia, and it was a quiet end to the first half for them as well. There was only one more real chance that would fall their way before the half-time interval. Again, it would be Misimovic who'd be involved. Pjanic set it up, Misimovic with the shot over the bar. Well, Romania's European Championship record is not good, even the fact that they have qualified on more than one occasion. They've only ever won 1 game. The pressure began early in the second half. They thought that was a penalty. Zeko looked toward the referee and said Goyan had handballed it. Referee waved it away. Was it? The hook ran there, and this is the moment they thought it was a handball. 10 minutes into the second half, Tore Mutu involved. Had a quiet game tonight, Mutu. There, just as you were thinking where the goal might possibly come from, up plopped Ibisevic. Poorly defended free kick, beautifully delivered again by Misimovic. And another forward from the Bundesliga. Hoffenheim's Ibisevic, only his 6th international goal. Player who's never really recovered the form that he showed in Hoffenheim's first season in Bundesliga, when he injured his cruciate ligaments in going into the Christmas break in a match against Bayern Munich. He'd been flying up to that point. He's never quite been the same since. 3 minutes later, another chance. Misimovic to Medunjanin. And again, plenty inside the stadium thought that had gone into the top corner of the net. And Lilic putting it just wide. So was that going to be it? No, because 7 minutes from time, the winning goal. Poorly defended corner. Edin Dzeko with the goal. Another former Bundesliga forward, Dzeko, of course, the ex-Wolfsburg man. He might not yet have scored in the Premier League, but 14 international goals in 26 appearances show just how important he is to the Bosnian cause, and any hope they've got of making it to the finals. Well, Halilhodžić in the stands going berserk when that went in. Romania's challenge, there he is, Halilhodžić with the beaming smile on his face. Romania's challenge really did fade badly in the second half. Still without a victory, but Bosnia march on.